I'm supposed to be over. Hello. I'm off the screen. The screen. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. You can see that this is, GBP USD. Anyway, so GBP USD, this is, a trade that I made, last night. I was only in it for a few minutes, about maybe 15 minutes or 30, whatever. And what I do basically is very simple. The night before I made 700, then it's 300. I got out quicker. I mean, well, it's a different situation. Well, not same situation, but it just happened a little faster, and I was out in 10 minutes after the market opened, but I was in for an hour. Well, the market was in the pre-market, basically. So, look at my, I want to show, you know what? Let me move this. I'm gonna move this over so you can see. Okay. All right. My booty quotes. Yeah. Oh, those are awesome. Those are awesome. Okay. This one, RSI, SNR, DGT, strategy, RSI, Ichimoku, and my settings. Yeah, that's my settings that you can see here. I'm pointing with my finger. Okay. That you can see right here in my settings. Okay. 1143.62. My settings, Ichimoku. It's pretty much default. And I think this is default. So, yeah. See here. Now imagine this being the opposite when it comes to a buy. Okay. You want to see this. This is like really the like classic setup. I mean, this is the setup, high probability trade, that I like to do. When you get used to these, when you get used to this, you'll kind of come in here. You'll start getting in up here. But, for now, you want to see that, you know what? I could show you. Let's show you on the replay. Let's show you guys a replay. This is how it plays out. This is how it's going to look when you're going to get ready to sell. You know, you got that breakout, you know, it's going up, whatever. And this is on the hour chart, okay? Let's play it. This is how it looks. Oh my goodness. Extremely fast. Oh man, let me do that over. I had it on the fast setting. Let's go a little slower. Okay. Comes up. Okay. Comes up. You're going to be watching. You're going to wait for a time where what I do is I look for reversals. I look for area. I look for where I don't hop in on something late. Okay. It's just, I mean, I've done it. I just don't like, it's not fun because you're under pressure. You're thinking, okay, is this the end of the run? Is this it? Is this it? Sometimes you can grab this, get the lowest point down here and come to the highest point, right? Click it. And you want to do is you see, these are levels. Okay. You'll see these react as it comes to these levels. You can use, I think if you can be really strict and say, okay, if it breaches this amount, right, the run is over. But usually it doesn't mean the run's over. Here, if it breaches the 382, it's a high chance that it's over. It's not 100%, but I don't like to play with those low percentage. So I wait until it hits here. When it closes outside of this, it closes outside of the 382, I'm out of it. Now I've seen them come here and bounce, but it's a slow move up. The further it gets out here, the slower it is. The more it's this way, the faster it is. And it's reversed, okay? When you going downwards, okay? So I'm gonna close that. So these I wait for it. So it comes. This is what it is. It comes up like put on auto. Comes up like that. Then it starts to range. Oh, so with this one didn't. Usually what they do is they come up and they'll turn around. Like they'll go above this. You'll see that green line and it'll go above it. And that's when you want to short. So you see these going, but look, when it's like this and that hasn't touched, you don't want to do it yet. You want to wait until it crosses and then does that. When this touches, get ready, right? You'll do this when you get really good at it. You'll get in early, but this hasn't touched the price yet, and so on and so forth. But the sign was right here when this fast line crossed the slow line. That's when it starts to crack. You want to catch it when it starts to crack, and then it separates again. But this was the crack right there. That's the crack. And it does this, and then it closed down outside of this. When it does that, you know, it's a sign again. It's another sign that this may be it. Boom. You know what? I could have kept the fan up. That's what I should have done. There's a 382. Okay, yeah, use a 382. Let's say you want to make sure. Use a 382. Use all those 382. Here, okay, not yet, not yet, not yet. Oh, closed outside. This is about to hit too. See that lagging line is about to go into the candle. That's short. You know what I mean? Okay, boom. You see this. Plus the RSI strategy just gave you a red candle and it closed outside of the 382. And then it's going sideways. It's perfect. This is what you want. And then see that top? See how long this line's getting? I mean, you know that that's the top. Like when it gets see this flat, the longer it stays that way, the higher the chance that it's over and it's going the other direction. See how it moved on that 50? You can wait for that if you want. I mean, look how far I waited. You don't have to, you know what I mean? And it's in the cloud, so you really don't want to trade when it's in the cloud. No, you don't want to take it at all when it's in the cloud anyway. I mean, you could have gotten outside here, but wait until it comes out. You could have got to close outside the cloud. Didn't close, it's trying to do it. Then it closed. There it is. Okay. Now you want to get in. Look at this. It falls right out of there. Now, I saw this late. Hold up. I mean, that's good. You can make a good, yeah. I got out of that. I came in like right over here. Hold up. It was like, no, it's over right here at that zero when it crossed to September 8th. I came in like right. Nope, not there. Not there. It was like down here. About right there. Right there I was in. And then I was out by here. When it came, no, that's wrong. I was out, it was short. It was like only, it came in, hold on. Right, there it is. This bar right here. I traded that bar, I made 300 bucks. What I do is, I get in very small. I get in like, just like a 10,000 unit, or which is, I think that's that one, like 0.01 lot or something like that. It's something like that. It's like it's extremely small, right? And I watch the pips. When the pips move past this 8 to 10, I double position. Well, I doubled it at like 8 to 7. Then I double position it like after 10. Then I doubled it again, and then I 5x'd it as it went down. And you want to look for ones that do not move. I have all the rules that are, matter of fact, visit the website, okay? Visit my website. It's Connect One Signals, Weebly. I'll put it in the description. You're going to visit the website, and I want you to check it out. Join the group, the Telegram, and I can help you, with your trading and help you make, 500, 700, maybe even $1,000 each time that you do this before the market open, or you want to do it once a day or whatever. I mean, I did it once a day, right? So, and I can tell you how I was able to find, it's simple. Well, I was able to find, each, pair, I pick up all of these, like, well, not all of them. I pick up the ones that kind of have this set up, 7 or 8 or whatever, and I pick the best ones. And I have rules for which like the best ones to get into, and I narrow it all down. I knock off the ones that are losing, whatever, and then I stick with those ones that are going in my direction. And then I have rules on top of that, rules on top of the rules. But it's really simple, and it's been consistent for me. So, and I don't accept any drawdown, no zero drawdown, rule. But all right. Yeah, check that out and you can get in more detail. Thank you for watching. I'm running out of time. I gotta get going. And it's Aaron Truth. Holla. Peace.